How to use referral code on SHEIN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll show you on how to use a referral code on SHEIN. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of SHEIN application on your mobile device. To check that, you can go to Play Store, click on the search button at the top, and then type in SHEIN. Once you find the application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now launch the application and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. So first, I want you to know that a referral code is a unique string of characters that you can share with friends or family. When they use your code during their first purchase, both of you can earn rewards. It's a win-win situation. So once you launch the application, you're on the home page. Tap on the Me icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Depending on your version of the SHEIN application, you might find your referral code in one of these two places. Look for My Referral or Share and Earn option in More Services section. If you see Share and Earn option, you can copy your code and then share it with your friends through your social media platform, text messages, or any way you prefer. Using referral codes on SHEIN is a simple way to save money and discover amazing fashion finds. So this was all about it. This is how you can use referral code on SHEIN. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.